If you've been thinking about starting an online business, now is the perfect time to give it a try. And the best part is that Shopify currently offers a special promotion where users can get a 3-day free trial, followed by 3 months for just $1 per month. If you want to explore Shopify and see how it works, use the official Shopify link in the description. It takes you straight to the verified offer on Shopify's own website. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world because it makes building an online store incredibly simple. You don't need to know coding or design. You can pick a theme, customize it with your logo and colors, add your products, and you're ready to start. Shopify includes everything in one place: website builder, payments, order tracking, marketing tools, and analytics to help you grow your business. Here's how to start your Shopify free trial, step by step. Click the link in the description and it will take you to Shopify's official sign-up page. Enter your email and click Start Free Trial. Shopify will then ask you a few short questions, like what kind of products you plan to sell or whether you're just testing the platform. You can select any option, even if you don't have products yet. After that, you'll see the available plans. No credit card is required for the first 3 days, and after your trial ends, you can continue for 3 months at $1 per month. This is a limited promotional offer directly from Shopify, so make sure you use the official link below to access it. Once your account is ready, you can start customizing your store. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to change colors, add sections, or upload a logo. You can add physical or digital products, set prices, and write simple descriptions. Shopify also integrates with thousands of apps that can automate things like shipping, inventory, or marketing. For payments, Shopify supports credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay, so your customers can choose what works best for them. Shopify also handles all the hosting, security, and technical setup, so you can focus on running your business instead of worrying about the back end. If you need help, Shopify's support team is available 24/7 to answer your questions and guide you through the setup. The truth is, many people want to start a business but never take the first step. If you try Shopify today, you'll finally get to see how easy it is to build a real online store. You can test everything during your trial, see if it's right for you, and cancel any time before the trial or promotional period ends. So don't wait. It only takes a minute to sign up. Click the Shopify link in the description to get your 3-day free trial plus 3 months for just $1 per month directly through Shopify. This is the best way to start building your online business today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about how to get the Shopify free trial, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And remember, the official link in the description takes you straight to Shopify's verified offer for a 3-day free trial and 3 months for $1. Try it out and see what you can build.